Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple cherry crisp. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Wash and dry the apples. You can use any firm cooking apples you like. Peel them if you like. Then core and chop them. Place the chopped apples into a large mixing bowl and add in the cherries. You can use fresh or frozen. Frozen cherries are much quicker and easier because they're already pitted. And if they're frozen, don't bother thawing them. And add in the lemon juice, brown sugar, cinnamon, and cornstarch. And mix them until they're well combined. Lightly grease a 9-inch square pan. Use a stone or glass pan so the crisp will stay hot longer. If you use a metal or non-stick pan, it cools fast. Pour the filling into the pan. Spread it out. And set it aside for now. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the brown sugar, flour, rolled oats, and salt, and mix them until they're combined. Cut the butter into small cubes and add it into the flour mixture. And use your fingers to rub and squeeze it into the flour until the mixture is combined and crumbly. Sprinkle the mixture evenly on top of the filling in the pan. And bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the topping is golden brown and the filling is tender and bubbly. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 10 minutes. And it can be served hot, warm, or at room temperature. It's best served hot with a scoop of ice cream or whipped cream. And that's how to make apple cherry crisp. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.